What's up? Today I'm obviously not in my usual filming location. I'm in my kitchen because today I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day. My last what I eat in a day was during my Chloe Ting 2-week shred, and I'm currently doing another one of her programs. This is the Hourglass challenge. It's 28 days long. I'm on day 16 today, but it honestly just feels like it's never ending. So I definitely have specific things I eat every single day and different like tricks I kind of use to maintain my healthy eating for like a long period of time. We're just gonna get right into it. I always start with a big breakfast. If I don't feel my body in the morning, around 10 o'clock at night, when I haven't eaten enough during the day, I'm so starving and I just go after like sugary chocolate things. I would rather just give my body the energy, the fuel it needs in the morning. My last what I eat in a day, I did a protein shake, and since then I'm very bored of the flavor. So I don't use protein at the moment. I need to get a new protein powder. I need a vanilla one. Chocolate every day is just like too much because bitch, it's not real chocolate. So we're sticking to a fruit smoothie. This combination specifically is my go-to. I'm just gonna start making it. I don't know why the fuck I'm explaining it when I'm about to make it. I use my NutriBullet to blend my smoothies, and I recently just got my NutriBullet probably like a couple months ago, but before that I just didn't have a blender. So my smoothies are very extravagant. I like to include a lot of ingredients because like I'm just trying to get it up to the booster juice level, and sometimes I find a new ingredient and I'm like, I did it. I always cut up fresh bananas and then put them in a bag and freeze it so that it's so easy when I want to make my smoothie. I can literally just pop it in without having to, I don't know, like fucking deal with it. It's already done. Even if you don't like bananas, like I personally hate bananas, they give your smoothie the texture that is you need. I honestly eyeball this every single time, but that many strawberries. I do have peaches at the moment, which I have been obsessed with, so definitely throwing these in. Another little trick is including dates in your smoothie. These make it so much sweeter. I usually do about 4 dates. I never do more than 4 because they're actually that sweet. I do 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. This is not a tablespoon, but you guys know. You definitely don't have to include juice. I know juice is not healthy, and you can definitely get a healthier juice in this, but I've just like, this brings it to another level. You know, adding juice, especially this is mango juice, it's so good. So I do like probably half a cup of juice, not even. I've been obsessed with oat milk. I never add enough liquid if I'm being honest, and then it doesn't blend. So I usually just start with this, and then I'll do a little bit of water. Is this in frame? How convenient. Okay, and then I just do like a little bit of water. We're not trying to overdo it. We're not trying to make this shit watery. Put my blending lid on and blend this bitch out, okay? This literally tastes like, I'm gonna insert the photo because I can't remember the exact name, but it's one of those like naked drinks, and you used to be able to get them at Starbucks. So I drink that along with a cup of water. Already by this point today, I've had probably over 1 liter of water. So I've been really trying to make an effort to drink more water. I am gonna make some avocado toast with an egg. This is something I pretty much eat every single day. I always do like a little green salad, and I'm gonna show you guys my go-to salad dressing because I have perfected that shit. I'm trying out this new bread. It's a Sprouted Power, the Big 16. I don't know, it's like some sort of healthier bread. Honestly, I'm not too particular with like breads. Like I'll pretty much eat whatever I have at home, but I want to try this out. It tastes like a healthier bread. It's not like baguette, you know, but it's not bad. I've been a little bit more conscious about like my carb intake, but I'm not on a restrictive diet of any sort. I eat what I want to eat, and I make conscious healthy decisions every single day and try and make them often. I used to just eat anything I basically wanted without really giving it much thought. And that was because I wasn't working out or like doing anything for my body, so I didn't really understand how important it was to fuel my body. I know a lot of you guys are like, oh my god, where the fuck is the cutting board? But like, bro, for one avocado, I'm not getting on a cutting board. This is a pretty small avocado, so I'm gonna use both halves, to be honest. I'm gonna put some in the salad. I do some salt. Always lime or lemon. I prefer lime. This is so good. Adding lime makes it a lot easier to mash, but it's still the most awkward thing to do. And so fucking loud. I'm gonna put that over here. And then I'm gonna wait to put the toast in. I do this all in a very organized fashion because it needs to be ready at the same time. Now I'm going to fry an egg. You guys can do egg whites if you want, like an egg white scramble or just scrambled eggs. I'm just like, I literally love a fried egg. I do that shit over easy and it's so good. I use a tiny bit of butter. I'm gonna start on my salad dressing, so I just eyeball this as well. I use a little bit of olive oil. This shit, my friend Daniela, if you're watching this, her mom put me on this. She made a salad dressing with balsamic glaze and it was the best thing I've ever had. A little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt. Also gonna put some pepper on my egg while it cooks. Okay, always add lime or lemon to my dressing. I really like citrusy, sour flavors, so I'm doing some lime. Mustard, Dijon specifically, a very little amount. And then you might be like, what the fuck, bitch, because this is maple syrup, but you can use honey, maple syrup, anything to just give it like a little bit of sweet flavor. So you have lime, mustard, and like a sweetness. Bro, this shit is tangy, sweet. It is so good. Okay, so at this time, when I have my guacamole, my dressing, and my eggs almost done, I put my bread in the toaster, and I've been using spring mix lately as my little green side salad. A little hack, I don't know how I thought of this or if everyone already knows this, but there's like tons of dressing still left in the container, so I'll just get one lettuce leaf and just like basically get it all out. Any extra, I'm just gonna like put on top of my salad. Put my egg on, bitch. This is my gourmet breakfast. Okay, so I'm gonna be making an iced coffee. Normally I do have my coffee in the morning, but today, since I had my smoothie, I've kind of delayed my coffee. Oh my god, my go-to cup is in the dishwasher right now. What am I gonna do? I guess I'm gonna have to make it in a to-go cup. This actually keeps the coffee cold for so long. My go-to right now is oat milk. I kind of switch it up between oat milk and almond milk, but actually I kind of want to use almond milk because this is not vanilla. Yeah, I'm gonna use almond milk. I prefer to use the vanilla flavored milk with coffee. It's so good. I have to add sugar, like, but I feel like I should include this part. I've had tofu in my fridge for a couple weeks and I just did not know how to cook it, what to make with it, but I just found a really amazing recipe. This is for pan-fried sesame garlic tofu, and it looks like this. Looks so good. I'm gonna attempt to make this with rice noodles and like a stir fry. First thing it says you have to do is let the tofu drain. So when you open the package, let the water like come out, and then place it on the counter with a paper towel on top and a cast iron skillet. I'm gonna leave this for 30 minutes and then move on to making the sauce. For the sauce, I need 1/4 cup of soy sauce. It's a fucking lot of soy sauce. Okay. 2 tablespoons of water. Okay. 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of honey. I'm just gonna use what I have left in this. I feel like this is just under 2 tablespoons. 1.5 teaspoons of the garlic sauce. I honestly don't know if I like this sauce that much. Actually, it smells fucking good. Half a teaspoon of rice wine vinegar. Oh, shit. Okay, that's a full one. 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Tom?
Yeah.
The big jar's cornstarch, right? This is actually cornmeal and this is cornstarch. We're not needing this one today. 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. So I'm gonna be making a stir fry with these rice noodles, and then I'm gonna do an onion, a red pepper, garlic, and some mushrooms. So I'm just gonna prep these veggies. So I'm adding a bit of canola oil, a bit of the sauce I made just to stir fry the vegetables with. Obviously, I'm gonna throw in the garlic. Throw in some water. I don't know, I feel like I've seen people do that. I'm kind of just making this fucking thing up as I go, so. I have my stir fry on low. I'm just gonna stir it around every once in a while. But my tofu is ready and drained. Cut it up into little cubes. And then put them in this bowl and toss them with cornstarch. Throw in my rice noodles. These cook very fast, so I'm gonna check them in 1 minute. I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of sesame oil to cook the tofu in. So now that the tofu is crispy on all sides, I'm gonna add the sauce we made earlier to coat the tofu. Definitely gonna turn the heat down. Added some of the noodles to my tofu. I'm gonna add a bit more sauce just to give some more flavor and fry this up a bit, and then we're done. This looks so good. I'm about to try it. I wish I had green onions to put on top. The tofu's so good. Oh my god. Today's been a weird eating schedule for me. Normally I don't eat super delayed breakfast, but it kind of threw me off because I didn't eat my breakfast until like 1 o'clock. And then I had my stir fry around 4:30 and now it's 6:30 and I'm gonna make dinner. Normally I'd have a bigger dinner, but since I ate like a full meal at 4:30, I'm not that hungry. I'm gonna make a Greek salad. I wanted to follow a recipe for the dressing. So I pre-cut most of the vegetables because no one's trying to waste time showing you guys how to cut lettuce. This is just romaine lettuce that I'm gonna put into the bowl and then cut up these veggies and pop them in. I'm not gonna use the exact measurements for the dressing because I'm obviously not making like a family-sized amount, but basically what you're gonna need is olive oil, red wine vinegar, dried oregano, Dijon mustard, salt, and pepper, and then I'm gonna add lemon. And girl, you know we're about to add a lemon wedge for that perfect salad. By the way, I just got these jeans in the mail like literally 10 minutes ago and I had to wear them for this because like, are you? Here's the completed salad. It looks really bomb. We're gonna try and see how the dressing is. It's the oregano that I've been missing this entire time. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the video here before I eat my salad, but I did want to say my go-to for a later night snack is unsweetened applesauce. I've been super obsessed with this or I showed you guys my go-to oatmeal in my last what I eat in a day. Just wanted to put that out there, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It means so much to me that you watched until the very end, and I will see you guys in my next video.